Well, why do 80% of Microsoft Store errors disappear after a few simple fixes? It's true. Let's bust through that "pardon the interruption" message together. First up, clear the store cache. Press the Windows key plus R, type wsreset.exe, and hit enter. Wait for the magic. If the store pops open, you're golden. Next, update Windows and the store itself. Go to Settings, hit Windows Update, and install anything waiting. Then, in the store, check for app updates too. Still stuck? Check your network. Disable VPNs, turn off metered Wi-Fi, and try again. If the error hangs around, repair or reset the store. Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find Microsoft Store, hit Repair or Reset if needed. Last resort? Re-register the store using PowerShell as an admin. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. If none of these work, try signing out and back in, double-check your time settings, or run the store app's troubleshooter. And hey, tech hiccups happen. Stick with it and you'll be back to browsing in no time. Hit subscribe for more quick fixes.